Good morning, class 5th students. Yesterday we were doing chapter number 7 fractions, and we were doing exercise 7th B, and we have done question 1 to 5, 1 to 4. Today we will continue this exercise from question number 5. So let's start. So take out your book and notebook, and we will continue this exercise. So question number 5 is, are the fraction equivalent? Some fractions pair are given here in this question. We will tell, are the fraction equivalent in each other? So student, take out your math register and we will write the question number 5, are the fraction equivalent? So question number A is 5 upon 6, 15 upon 12. This is not, because अगर हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करें स्टूडेंट्स तो 5 12 जा होता है 60 और 15 6 जा होता है 90. सो these are not equals. So these fractions are not equivalent. So we will write here no. Now question number B, 3 upon 4 and 12 upon 16. So 16 3 जा 48 and 12 4 जा 48. So these fractions are equal. So these fractions are equivalent. So we will write here yes. In question number C, 30 upon 75 and 2 upon 5. So जब हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, when we will do cross multiplication, 30 multiplied by 5 150 and 75 multiplied by 2 150. So these fractions are equal. So these fractions are equivalent in each other. So we will write here yes. Question D, 39 upon 49 and 3 upon 7. So these fractions are not equivalent. When we will do cross multiplication, these fractions are not equal. So we will write here no. Now question E, 19 upon 38 and 1 upon 2. 19 divided by 19 equals to 1 and 38 divided by 19 equals to 2. So these fractions are equivalent. So we will write here yes. Now question F, 32 upon 40 and 4 upon 5. So when we will do cross multiplication, 40 multiplied by 4 160 and 32 multiplied by 5 160. So these fractions are equivalent. So we will write here yes. Now students, we will do after question number 5, fill in with greater than, equal, greater than, smaller than or equal. So question 6 to question 8, question 6 to question 8, we will fill in with greater than, smaller than or equal. So first of all we will do question number 6. Question number 6 has E part till E part. So we will do A part. So in notebook we will write fill in with greater than, smaller than or equal. Now question number 6, part A of question number 6, 7 upon 9 and 6 upon 9. So students, in this question we will see that both fractions denominators are same. So we will compare the numerator 7 and 6. So 7 is bigger than 6. So we will write here this sign, 7 upon 9 bigger than 6 upon 9. Now question B, 13 upon 15 and 14 upon 15. In this question again the denominator are same of both fraction. So we will compare numerator of these fractions 13 and 14. So 14 is bigger than 13. So we will write here this sign, 13 upon 15 smaller than 14 upon 15. Now question number C, 8 upon 9 and 8 upon 13. In this question students, we can see that the numerator are same. So we will compare the denominator. So we will do opposite, 9 is bigger than 13. So we will write here this sign. स्टूडेंट, जब भी हमारा न्यूमरेटर सेम होता है तो हम डिनोमिनेटर को कंपेयर करते हैं, और डिनोमिनेटर को कंपेयर करते हैं तो तब हम देखते हैं कि जो हमें एक्चुअल में बड़ा दिख रहा है डिनोमिनेटर, वो एक्चुअल में छोटा है, और जो हमें छोटा दिख रहा है वो एक्चुअल में बड़ा है. सो 8/9 बिगर देन 8/13. नाउ क्वेश्चन डी, 12/17 and 12/13. Same again. In this fractions, the numerator are same, so we will compare the denominator. So 12/13 is bigger than 12/17. So we will write here this sign. Now question number E, 21/43 and 21/54. Same again, the numerator are same, so we will compare the denominator. So 21/43 is bigger than 21/54. I hope you will be understand well. Now students, question number 6. Question number 7. In question number 7, we will also compare in this question of fractions. So 7th A, 1/2 and 2/5. So when we compare these fractions, so 1 multiplied by 5, 1 5 ja 5, and 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 5 is bigger than 4. So 1/2 is bigger than 2/5. Now question number B, 5/9 and 6/7. So 5 7 ja 35 and 9 6 ja 63. 9 6 ja 54. 54. So 5/9 is smaller than 6/7. So we will write here this sign. Now question number C, 3/9, 7/21. When we will do cross multiplication, 3 multiply by 21 equals to 63, and 7 multiplied by 9 equals to also 63. So these fractions are equal, so we will write here equal sign. Now question number D, 11/12 and 3/4. 11 4s are 44 and 12 3s are 36. So 44 is bigger than 36. So 11/12 is bigger than 3/4. Now question number E, 7/14 and 8/16. So both are equal because 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 14, 1/2, and 8 1 ja 8 and 8 2 ja 16. This fraction is also 1/2. So both fractions are half, 1/2 and 1/2. So both fractions are equal, so we will write here equal sign. And when we will check also by cross multiplication, so 7 multiplied by 16 is equal to 112, and 14 and multiplied by 8 is equal to 112. So both fractions are equal. Now we will do question number 8. Question number 8 is 4 whole 11/21 and 5 whole 2/3. So this is 4 and this is 5. So 5 whole is bigger. So 5 whole 2/3 is bigger. So we will write here this sign. So students, 5 whole 2/3 is bigger than 4 whole 11/21. Now question number B, 5 whole 1/2 and this is 5 whole 1/3. So 2 5 are 10 and 1 11. This is 11/2, and this is 5 3 are 15 and 16/3. This is 16/3. So we will check 5 2 are 10 and 1, 11/2, and this is 3 5 are 15 and 1, 16, 16/3. When we will do the cross multiplication, this is 33, 11 3 are 33 and 16 2 are 32. So 11/2 is bigger than 16/3. It means 5 whole 1/2 is bigger than 5 whole 1/3. So we will write here this sign. Now question number C, this is 14/10 and this is 10 1 are 10 and 4, 14/10. Both are equal, so we will write here equal sign. Now question number D, this is 2 whole 3/8 and this is 2 whole 5/7. So when we convert into improper fraction, 8 2 are 16, 16 and 3, 18/8. This is 18/8. Sorry, this is 19/8, 19. because 8 2 ja 16 and 3 19, and this is 7 2 ja 14 and 5 19 upon 7. So now we will compare 19 7 ja 133, and this is 19 8 ja 152. So this is 133 and this is 152. So 19 upon 8 is bigger than 19 upon 7. So 2 whole 3 upon 8 is bigger than 2 whole 5 upon 7. Now question number E, 47 upon 9, and this is 5 whole 4 upon 9. So this is 9 5 ja 45 and 4 49, 49 upon 9. So this is bigger, 49 is bigger than 47. So we will write here this sign, because 47 upon 9 is smaller than 5 whole 4 upon 9. So students, question number 8 till question number 8 are done of our exercise. We will continue this exercise in my next video, and you, all of you students, you will do this exercise in your peer notebook. Thank you.